Can you change Instagram call ringtone? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to scroll down and move into notifications. Inside notifications, scroll down and move into Instagram. Once again, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Instagram notification settings at the bottom of the screen. It will directly open the application Instagram. Now in this page, you can see the option of calls. Tap on it. But you can see there is no any option or the feature in order for you to change the ringtone, which means that it is not possible to change the call ringtone on Instagram. The default ringtone will be the ringtone of your call. In the future, if the Instagram updates the feature, then you will be able to change the ringtone of the call, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.